Subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all notification.
Hello students, in this video we will discuss about organogenesis. Organogenesis is the process of formation of different organ system through the three germ layer of the gastrula. We already studied about the fertilization, then after fertilization how the zygote get implanted in the form of blastula. It get implanted, then it converted to the gastrula. Placenta will also form. After that, when embryo start developing inside the mother's womb, in the later part of the pregnancy, it start forming its different organ system, and this process of formation of different organ system is known as organogenesis. तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं इसी organogenesis के बारे में. In the NCERT this topic is given, and in your syllabus it's just means it's a basic idea about the organogenesis. So now we will discuss about the different time phases of the pregnancy. कि pregnancy, that is the 9-month period, पूरा 9 month का टाइम होता है जिसे हम gestation period बोलते हैं. Throughout this 9 months, at the different stages, the different organs get developed in the growing fetus. अलग अलग टाइम पे अलग अलग ऑर्गन्स डेवलप होते हैं. तो इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस टेक अ बेसिक आइडिया ऑफ द ऑर्गेनोजेनेसिस, हाउ द डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स फॉर्म्ड इन विच टाइम ऑफ फेज, किस टाइम फेज के अंदर कौन से ऑर्गन्स किस तरीके से डेवलप हो रहे हैं, किन कब फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, हम उनके बारे में बात करेंगे. एंड दिस ऑर्गन्स आर फॉर्म थ्रू द three germ layer, and these three germ layer are formed in the gastrula stage. The three germ layers are ectoderm and then endoderm. In between, the later on the mesoderm will also form, and after all these three germ layers will take part in the formation of organs. So we will start from the first month of the pregnancy by we are writing step by step. So we are starting from the first month. We can say that by the end of first month, when the first month pregnancy period is just going to complete, at that time what happens, let's say by the end of the first month of the pregnancy, now the heart of the embryo it's working. So at that time we can say that embryo's heart is formed, or established. It starts working, and its work starts working at the end of the first month. So we can say that this functioning will start at the 4th week of the pregnancy. So at the 4th week of the pregnancy, the embryo's heart will start working, and the confirmation of the pregnancy can be taken by listening the sound of this beating heart of the embryo through the stethoscope. So this is the sign of the pregnancy that embryo's heart gets worked. It's working. It happens at the end of first month. After that, at the end of, or we can say by the end of second month. Now let's see what happens in the second month of the pregnancy. In the second month of the pregnancy, the limbs will start forming, and the limbs will start forming, and the limbs will form. They are just like a paddle like. Here the limbs will form, and the limbs are pedal like. So we can say that the pedal like limbs will form, and it happens at the 5th week of the pregnancy. 5th week तक पहुंचते पैडल लाइक लिम्स फॉर्म हो जाएंगे, एंड एट द लेटर स्टेज ऑफ दिस प्रेगनेंसी पीरियड, और एट द एंड ऑफ द सेकेंड मंथ, और अप टू 8th week, the elbows and knees but also get established. So elbow और knee जो होंगे उनकी formation हो जाएगी at the 8th week. So these are the some important changes which happens at the second month of the pregnancy, or at the end of the second month. Second month तक होते होते limbs form हो जाएंगे, and limbs will be the paddle like limbs, and at the 8th week of the pregnancy the elbow and knees were also established. Now let's see, by the end of the 3 months, by the end of third month तक होते हुए क्या changes होंगे, and it's this 3 month time is also known as trimester. So we can say that this is the first trimester. First 3 months complete हो गए तो इसे हम first trimester भी बोल सकते हैं. So this is the first trimester. At the first trimester, the major organ systems are developed. जो major organ system थे वो develop होना शुरू हो चुके होते. They are formed. Major organ system developed. limbs are formed, limbs form हो जाएंगे, fully developed digits will form, fingers जो है digit formation हो जाएगा, limbs will form, and the important thing one which will happen is that external genitalia, external genital organs, external genital organs were established और were formed. तो ये भी जो है organ भी है जो form हो जाएंगे. External genital organ भी form हो जाएंगे at the end of the third month और at the end of first trimester. 3 months pregnancy period complete होने तक major organ system develop हो जाएंगे, limbs form होंगे, external genital organ form हो जाएंगे. उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे changes हैं जो कि हम देख सकते हैं, like in the pancreas, the Langerhans में जो islands of Langerhans होते हैं उनका development start हो जाएगा. thyroid, parathyroid glands जो है वो formation, उनकी formation start हो जाएगी. Thymus gland will also start formed, will also formed. So these are the some external another changes, like जो भी बोले कि Langerhans cells, islands of Langerhans in the pancreas are formed. Thymus, thyroid and parathyroid glands are also formed. So these are some other major changes which occur at the end of first trimester. 3 months के end तक इतने changes हो जाते हैं. अब हम बात कर रहे हैं at the end of the fourth month, by the end of फोर्थ मंथ. अब फोर्थ मंथ तक पहुंचते हुए क्या क्या चेंजेस होंगे, यहाँ पे जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जो चेंज हम देख सकते हैं दैट इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ नर्व फाइबर्स. द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ नर्व फाइबर्स विल begin and the nerve fibers are the medullated nerve fibers will form. nerve fibers जो है उनकी formation start हो जाएगी. Medullated nerve fibers will begin and at the first next, that this is important, by the end of fifth month. अब fifth month तक क्या होगा? At the end of fifth month, let's see. At the end of fifth month, we can observe the movement of the embryo. जो growing fetus है, we can say that growing fetus will start moving inside the mother womb. So at the end of the fifth month, the movement can be noticed. Movement can be noticed. First movement जो होगी यहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं that will be the first movement. The first movement of the growing fetus can be noticed at the end of the fifth month, and with this the hair on the head also erupted, means hair की formation जो है वो head के ऊपर start हो जाएगी. तो means we can write here hair on head, they will also form at the end of the fifth month of the pregnancy. Now after that we will move on to the sixth month. By the end of sixth month, sixth month means यहाँ पे हम बोल सकते हैं sixth month हो गया, it means that another 3 months is completed, so we can call it second trimester. यहाँ पे हमारा first trimester था. At the end of the sixth month, second trimester will also complete. तो second trimester यहाँ पे complete हो जाएगा. Here at this stage the hair on the क्या होता है यहाँ पे hair on body, पूरी बॉडी पे हेयर ग्रो कर चुके होते हैं. यहाँ पे सेपरेशन हो जाता है. आईलैशेस फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगी. आईलिड्स यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. तो दीज आर द सम अनदर चेंजेस. हमने कहा जब हेयर फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, सो आईलिड्स, आईलैशेस विल आल्सो फॉर्म एंड हेयर ऑन द कंप्लीट बॉडी विल आल्सो फॉर्म. सो वी कैन राइट हियर दैट आईलैशेस एंड आईलिड्स, आईलिड भी जो है वो फॉर्म हो जाएंगी. Okay, these are the some changes which occur at the end of the sixth month. Now move on to the next month of the pregnancy, that by the end of seventh month. When nothing special is happened in the seventh month, so we will directly moving on the eighth month. ऐसा कुछ नोटिसेबल चेंजेस यहाँ पे हमें नहीं मिलेंगे, तो हम सीधे 8th मंथ की बात करते हैं. At the end of the 8th month, what happened? That now at the end of the 8th month of the pregnancy, now testes will descend in the scrotal sac. Testes will descend in scrotal sac. We already studied about that in the embryo the testes will form in the abdominal cavity, but they later on they descend into the scrotal sacs to maintain the temperature. That particular temperature which is required is not present in the abdominal cavity, so they have to descend in the scrotal sac. So these testes will descend in the scrotal sac at the 8th month of the pregnancy. And now last, that is by the end of 9th month. हम अब आ चुके हैं at the end of the 9th month. 9th month means is the end of the pregnancy, is the end of the gestation period. So at that time, the fully formed or fully developed baby is ready. Fetus is now fully formed and it's ready to take a birth. So we can say that developed, fully developed, we can write a fully developed embryo is formed. Embryo is now fully developed and it's now ready to take a birth. So here we discuss some important changes, some important formation of the organ at the different stages of the pregnancy. At the first month, then this is the second month change, then at the end of the first trimester or at the end of third month we can say, and this is the changes which occur at the end of fourth month, formation of myelinated nerve fibers. Then at the end of the fifth month, the movement will start. The first movement is noticed. We can mark it because it's important. The first movement of the embryo is noticed in the end of the fifth month. First movement is noticed and here on the head will also form. And by the end of the sixth month तक पहुंचते होंगे एंड तक हेयर जो होंगे वो पूरी बॉडी पे ग्रो कर चुके होंगे. Eyelashes and eyelids will also form, and at the end of the 8th month the testes will descend into the scrotal sac, and then after the end of the 9th month, now baby is fully formed, or we can say embryo is fully formed and it is ready to take a birth. So this is about organogenesis, how organogenesis happens. After that, we will discuss about the next process, which is parturition. Parturition, which is the process by which we can say that baby take a birth. So we will discuss about this process in the next video. Keep watching, keep studying and keep learning. Thank you.